Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Chaffles for Life, episode number 16 on Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, today we're going to be making an omelet today, and we're going to do a bacon omelet. We're going to put a little bit of bacon bits into a couple of whisk eggs. And I initially put one egg, then I ended up adding another egg on top of it after because I wanted to do the omelet and then do the Chaffles. So basically, what I did was I took some cheddar cheese, shredded cheese, and then I put that over the top of the mini dash, and put the egg mixture, and then put a little more cheese on top. Now we do got the Alderton cheese for that particular kind of shredded cheddar cheese, but we'll make that and do a comparison afterwards with a newer video. But I wanted to continue on with episode 16, and since today is the 16th. So yeah, just follow the process along. After you lay down the cheese into the, and oh yeah, those are what the Chaffles actually look like there. When I ended up getting two because what happened was the mixture of the egg went a little bit over on the mini dash, and then to clean it, I just put a piece of paper towel over the mini dash and closed the lid, or on top of the mold itself. And then that was the sandwich that I had made, and then with the egg, because I was doing an egg fast, and I was just kind of changing it up with onions and peppers and a little bit of bacon bits, just to break up the monotony of the taste. But yeah, let's just go right into the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Okay, now that we get the two Chaffles made, why don't we go ahead and make a sandwich? So, taking a little bit of butter and a little bit of tiny olive oil. What I do is I crank up the heat on a nonstick pan until it starts to melt, and then I crank the heat way down to about a medium. And then I'm going to be, yeah, and then just trying not to scratch the pan because I really like this little copper pan topping. This is the egg mixture. I ended up adding another egg to that, and I added about maybe a couple of tablespoons, or maybe 1 tablespoon of bacon bits, and I added a little bit of frozen pepper and onion. The onion and pepper there, they were a little bit freeze and burn bit, and yeah, let me know in the show more how I can prevent that freeze and burn if you know how. But then I added some cheese over the top of my omelet, and then I flipped it up around the other side to make sure it was cooked all the way through, and I ended up taking half of this omelet and I put it on top of the Chaffle, and that was my sandwich for today. And that was my first meal going into the, actually my second meal after the initial egg fast meal. And because I'm doing an egg fast, I usually follow it to the letter most of the time, but other times I kind of like do my own thing, and even though it's the initial egg fast rules calls for no like meat and all that sort of thing, and just eggs and cheese. You can get kind of tired of it after a while. But I just wanted to mix it up with a little bit of egg and a little bit of cheese, and I still wound up losing 3 pounds overnight, mostly water weight, which was really, really good. So that's kind of really day 2 also when I was eating in the day, and I'll have a complete meal set of what I ate during the course of the 2 to 3 5 day egg fast that I'm currently doing. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, give me a thumbs up because it does help YouTube with the algorithm, and also it lets YouTube know that I'm putting out good content, and every time you like and share my video, it lets other people know that I do post a new video, and I really appreciate you guys visiting my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers. Oh my God, the channel seems to really be blowing up there. I just kind of wish they had the watch hours in there, but if you know how to run a playlist, help me out by running my playlist, and it'll be much appreciated. And again, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.